In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play All-Star Tower Defense. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and join the All-Star Tower Defense experience on any platform on Roblox. I am doing this video on PC, but you will be able to find and join it on console or even mobile. So all that you have to do is open Roblox and look for the experience. So look for All-Star, and then usually it is going to autofill to All-Star Tower Defense. Because it is a very popular experience, a lot of people play it, the game is always being suggested to other people. So you will be able to confirm that it is the official experience by the fact that it has more than 7 billion visits and 90% of likes. So all that you have to do now is go ahead and join. You will load into the experience immediately. And if you are a new player, you will be guided through the process of learning and playing All-Star Tower Defense. So you will see a screen similar to this. Welcome to All-Star Tower Defense. You can click up to continue and read the dialogue. The situation is dire. The battle for World 1 is upon us. You will need to summon a team of heroes to join the fight. So as you can see, you can summon these available units. Now, of course, these are other real heroes that you might know, but they cannot use the real names, so you will see some similar names here that you might recognize. So if you get a character that you like, you will be able to build a team. You have to summon 3 times, and after you do, you can go ahead and place them on your team. As you can see, we now have to go over to the inventory and equip the characters that we acquired. Once you have all the characters equipped, we are ready to battle. Follow the glowing trail to begin your journey. So now all that you have to do is follow here, and you will learn how to use these heroes to save the world. And it is a very well-made experience. As you can see, it is super detailed, super polished, and there is a lot to do. And regardless of the platform where you join, you will be able to play and experience All-Star Tower Defense. I hope I was able to help you on how to play All-Stars Tower Defense. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.